and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So as you can tell by the title, I purchased a Colourpop mystery box. So I love mystery boxes. The only thing that I don't love is subscription boxes. So I've been looking long and hard to buy a subscription box for something, but nothing really kind of tickles my fancy, so to say. So mystery boxes, I feel, are probably a little bit more safe in my opinion, so I can buy them whenever I want and whatever's in there is in there. So Colourpop recently came back with some of their mystery boxes, and I decided to pick up a couple of things and also a mystery box. So it turned up the other day. I will show you what I ordered, not part of the mystery box, if that makes any sense, because they were also doing like buy one get one free on a Super Shock Shadow. So I picked up two, so they're in this little separate bag here. And I thought I would bulk up my box, I'll bulk up my basket, because I get free shipping after, obviously when you're in the UK, I think after $60 you get free shipping, and I can't remember how much the box was, but I'll put up a price and stuff here. So the first one that I got is Yes She Did. So this is actually a Super Shock blush. I know that I'm going to be tripping over a lot, so that's kind of like a deeper tone. These blushes, they're super nice. It reminds me a little bit of the Snow White one that I got quite recently. That actually has some shimmer in there, but this is a matte tone. And then I also picked up another one, so this is the bronzer. I was wondering why it was slightly deeper, but this is the Get Sandy matte bronzer. So I've been wanting to try the bronzers for ages, and now that I picked one up, this is the light shade, because obviously when I bronze, I need it to be super light, because I'm not crazy confident with bronzing just yet, and even with cream ones I need them to be super light. And I also picked up like a body, like face and body like kind of foundation. So this is part of their Soul Body, this is part of their like skincare stuff. I got the shade Fair 4, and this was part of their South section, so that's why I wanted to pick it up. Their normal foundation is really nice. It's like a tinted moisturizer, and their other foundation I really love. So this is the foundation thing that I got. Well, it's a creamy lightweight diffusing foundation. Yeah, it lasts all day apparently. Obviously I'm not going to do a try on today because I have makeup on already, and I do know what's in this mystery box. I just couldn't like stop myself from looking, obviously, because I got it a couple of days before actually filming this. So I said, I don't remember how much the value was, but it's quite a lot, and I got quite a few things in here. I did look at some reviews on the Colourpop website, because I was like, you know what, I just want to know if it's worth the money, because I know Beauty Bay occasionally have like mystery boxes and stuff, but they sell out pretty quickly, and I know that their value is quite high. So let me just show you what I got in this one. So the first thing, this is in no particular order, this is just me putting my hand in, but I know that the best thing is at the end. So the first thing that I have is a blending sponge by Soul Body. So body blending sponge, I don't know why I'd need a body blending sponge. It probably will go with that, but to be honest, I don't use makeup on my body personally, so this would only work for my face, and it takes up most of my face anyway. So this is an oversized reusable sponge that buffs and blends shimmer easily into the skin. Okay, I mean, you can use it wet, so that's fine. I'll probably use it with my foundation. I'll see what it's like, just because again, it's a ridiculous size, but if it grows in size, that'd be crazy. Next thing we have are some face gems. So I actually wanted to get some because I want to start being a little bit more creative when I do some of my makeup looks. So this is actually great. So you get 81 crystals in here, so I don't think I'll run out of any for a while, and I like the fact that they're small and they gradually go up in size. So not that I'll probably use any of the big ones, but I might use some of the smaller ones to kind of achieve a certain look. Next we have the Luxe Velvet Lipstick, and this is in the shade Honey Pie. So this is, I don't know if I've tried their oh, it's their liquid lipstick. I have tried these before. Okay, I thought this was a matte lipstick. So this is the lipstick itself. It kind of looks like their glosses, so I'm not too sure. It actually looks like a really nice shade. It looks like a shade that I would definitely use. So yeah, that's quite good. I know that these by themselves are like maybe $10, maybe less than that. Again, Colourpop are very affordable when it comes to some of their makeup. It's just unfortunate when you ship them to the UK, you have to either spend over $60. That doesn't include tax. And then you get free shipping, but if you don't get that high, I think you have to pay like $10-12 for shipping, and that includes like any kind of handling fees and stuff like that. I think you probably know this. Next is another liquid lipstick. So this is part of their Luxe Velvet as well. This is in the shade Just Imagine. I don't know, this reminds me of like, I don't know if there's any other Beatles fans, but Honey Pie is like a Beatles song, like it's kind of lyrics in a Beatles song, and Just Imagine, and of course Imagine is a John Lennon song. I don't know if I'm thinking too deep into it. Those things just reminded me of that. I don't know if anyone else is a Beatle fan, let me know. This actually looks slightly similar to the other shade as well. This is just has a tad like more nudie tone to it. Again, I will use these. It's a lot of lipsticks, and I think there's 2 more lipsticks as well, so we're gonna keep on going. So this is a lip gloss, and this is their So Glassy. So this is in the shade Newport. So I normally wear my glasses if I'm reading something, but I really like the packaging. It's very kind of like floral, fairy-esque. I don't know what this collection is called, because I mean Colourpop come out with collections every other day. That's an exaggeration, but they're obviously quite frequent with their collaborations and collections. So this is a gloss. Oh, that doe foot is tiny. I don't think I've used like this style of lip gloss. I have tried their lip glosses before, or lip gloss, or whatever they're called, but yeah, this looks quite nice. I will obviously try this. So next we have a lip stain, and this packaging is stunning. Look at that. This is their what is this called? This is their glossy lip stain in the shade Sugar Snap. So I'm just going to open this underneath. I hate ripping this, so I always rip from the bottom, and that's why I end up ripping the box like all together, because I can't open something. So yeah, this is like a nice nude tone, and I guess it's a lip stain, but it will probably dry off really quickly. And maybe leave a slight stain, because obviously my lips are much lighter than that, but that is quite a nice shade, so it's not too deep. And then now we have another random item, and this is in a little packet. I did open this, but I didn't look up what it was. I think, oh, Super Shock highlighter. Oh, okay, so this is, I remember this collection coming out. I don't know what it was called, but I like the look of the palette because I like the packaging. But this is in the shade Windmill, and this is very like blush shimmer kind of highlighter. Should I swatch it? Yes. Oh, that's so soft. I mean, Super Shock shadows are insane. Like, they are very pigmented. I feel like with the eyeshadows, they take a while for me personally to build up, so I've not completely always enjoyed their eye ones, but this one I look forward to trying, because I haven't tried a new highlighter in so long. There's not even any highlighters that I wanted to try, so I look forward to that. We have 3 more products, so 2 products are very similar. So we have a cream gel liner, so this is part of the same collection I believe as this one. So again, I don't know what the collection is called, but this is in the shade Overboard. So this is a gel liner. This seems like it's kind of a brown tone. Oh, let's swatch it. So that is, oh yeah, it's a brown. That's fine. I mean, it looks a bit more impressive in the actual like packaging itself, but it still looks nice. I don't think I own like a brown gel liner. I tend to use like more black eyeliners for stuff, as you could tell, but that is nice. I mean, it's something for like a simple makeup day that I might do one day. And then we've got another cream gel liner in the shade Wildcat. So we are gonna, is this part of the what's it called, the High School Musical? But I thought it would be like packaged to their whole brand, but it might not be, it might be something else. But I'm gonna swatch this as well. So this is, oh, that's so creamy, so creamy. It's like a gold, greenish gold. That is nice. I like that color. It blends out nice. Obviously that's the whole point of it not blending out, but it is quite a nice shade. I will definitely put that to some use. And then the last thing, probably one of the main reasons why I picked up this palette, because this was the thing that everyone was talking about. So it's an eyeshadow palette, and it's the Play It Jewel eyeshadow palette. This, when I looked at the palette, when I was like, should I get it? Let me see what it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I haven't even opened it because I wanted to like see it in real life on camera, but these shades are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Like, I have so many of these kind of bigger palettes and smaller palettes by Colourpop, and I never have any issues with any of their eyeshadows personally. I think maybe one or two probably haven't been there, but I mean, this is such a nice colour story, and I really look forward to trying this. That treasure box, oh, that looks stunning. Very, very nice. And I love the packaging as well. It reminds me of the Kathleen Lights one, which I still own and I use quite recently, just because of the name and its jewels, and the colour story is a little bit similar because her eyeshadow palette was also very, very colourful. But yeah, I'm really happy that I picked up like this bundle, because it's definitely stuff that I haven't really used before, if that makes any sense. Like, I wanted to get the eye jewels, and I know I wouldn't buy a mystery box just for those because I didn't even know they have them in there, but the fact that there's a lot of lip products, so I mean, I only have one set of lips, so it might take me a while to get through them. Yeah, but I'm really looking forward to trying this. And then also the highlighter Windmill is a stunning colour, and yeah, everything else. I mean, it didn't take as long to get to me because I basically was notified that I had a package to pick up, and I was like, hang on, what would it be? And it actually said that my Colourpop one wouldn't arrive until like a week or two later, but it arrived very quickly, so I was actually very happy and grateful that it is kind of like zoomed through the air and all the way here. But yeah, that is basically what I got in my mystery box. Let me know if you picked up a Colourpop mystery box, and did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy this one? Would you be interested in picking one up? And please let me know, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social media, because I'm always active on there. And thank you so much for sitting down with me, listening to me ramble on, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.